people are actually asking that question.
Yeah, people are asking that question. Uhlulwa yini ukwenza the same thing kumuntu kade uthandana naye kuze kufike le stage sokuthi ukushaya emva kwendlebe ungaboni. Thula Sizwe ne dear my lover. Where is my birthday present?
That's Salasiswe.
Kubuzula Sizwe. Oh yini
where there's so much corruption,
yeah.
This corruption ruins everything. Right now, corruption, you see Big Brother, it was what corruption allegedly. Right now, the YouTube, they wanna also put their corruption in it.
Yeah. So balekelapi. Where are we going to run to?
So I believe that this government that is servicing us right now, it's all about them. And it's all about them to be able to eat.
Yeah.
We're back with another episode. Lamin.
Mlungu wabelungu.
Tajiji.
Vum kanje. Scott bese ecela ungifeature ngizokwenza nje kanje kuphela ngithi kanje.
Have you started doing it with Ginger? On the episode.
Umtima eziyenziwe. Umtima is always ahead ngezinto ezenzekalayo. So he was like, my son, if you heard this song, ngithi mina no athi qantshintshi vum kanje.
I mean, it means that I don't have to really have a skill to sing. I can just say anything.
Anything. Ungakhuluma noma ngabe yini. Vum kanje sekuyingoma le.
Yo,
unemali.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Unemali.
How have you been, man?
No, I've been good, my king. I've been good.
By the way, you are a host now full time on Diaza TV. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
You're doing well. You're doing well.
Thank you, my king.
I was live last night.
Yes, sir.
Someone is like, Lee, please talk to Dlamini. He's very harsh on ladies on Diaza TV.
Yeah.
I was like, I just need to maybe watch few episodes, then I'll be able to tell. Is it true?
But I mean, I think batting harsh because if you are wrong, you're wrong. So I'm not gonna sugarcoat it because umuntu wesifazane so ngizokhuluma ngale ndlela nawe. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Uyabona if ufebile. It's the same thing as umjita. Na mayifebile ngizokutshela ukuthi ubufebe lento yenzayo.
I haven't seen maybe an episode where you are dealing with umjita.
Yeah, kusengama abantu besifazane so far.
Okay.
Esibatholayo abantu besifazane. But nje even if ngathola umjita I'll tell him the same thing. Ubufebe lento yenzayo. Ayenziwa kanjalo. If umuntu ungasamfuni qantshintshi vum phuma kanje. Uyeke into eningi.
Yeah, crazy. There's been a lot of social media fights and about this whole Big Brother Mzansi thing. Have you seen that thing?
I did saw some clips nyana on social media. Ukuthi into engayilandeleli kakhulu. So yeah,
because I don't watch it but I know that there is Thandeka, there is Liema.
Yeah
because I think those are the famous names. So now apparently Thandeka had more fans than Liema, but Liema won. Even McG was disappointed, and McG was a sponsor there, and McG says they rigged the votes.
Sure.
Is it possible, Vela, for Big Brother to rig votes?
I think in South Africa, everything is possible.
Like, what will make them rig the votes? Is it because Liema has connection, or her influence is too much?
I think that's another thing they
Who
look
has more
at.
influence between?
Babheka izinto ezifana nalezo ukuthi when it comes to numbers, influence yakhe ebantwini ithini, ama connections wakho ahamba kanjani. So therefore we cannot give it to omunye umuntu because they don't have what you have. Yeah, so
or maybe they made Liema win so that people can talk about it. You get me? Like they made Liema win so that people can talk.
But so in that what happens to amavoti ke abantu laba
Exactly.
bavotayo ke because Big Brother you wina ngamavoti.
Like what happened to the procedure?
Yeah, uwina ngamavoti. So if even if
Maybe it was fair. Maybe she won because it was votes. People voted.
we'll never know until Big Brother yena himself is
Did they release any statement? Can you check for me if they release a statement?
ahlale phansi asitshela ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Yo, it's hectic.
Yeah.
And also on the other news, Malema and Mkwanazi. Hey, that one is a big fight.
Kwenzakalani
You
la
don't know.
kuno?
I get it. There is a cop called Khan. Ne? So apparently Khan knows Malema. They know each other. And Khan is a corrupt cop, allegedly. Now, so now they are saying Khan, since he's corrupt, he's also connected with Malema. So now that's how Malema's name is tracked
Okay.
and the EFF. So now Malema is angry or why Sanjo Mkwanazi and I'm fucking Tunchagag.
Meaning ukuthi nomalema nawo corrupt.
We don't know.
Ilento abayishoyo.
Yeah. So now the problem is now Mkwanazi is starting. I mean, Malema is saying, "Hey, I'm not scared of you." What? And I feel like Malema doesn't know Mkwanazi. Mkwanazi doesn't play.
Nomalema doesn't play. Naye uzokutshela kanjani? Uzothi
I'm
nami
a fan
don't
of
play.
I'm a fan of Malema, ne?
Mm.
Mara Mkwanazi was
Umkhalazi
not
wathi
trained here.
umkhalazi wathi imessage edilithile say retrieve.
And that is just the basic part of it. Those
Yeah.
guys, they have a deep intelligence. Deep intelligence.
Uthi corruption la eSouth Africa into engeke iziphela.
I'm
Corruption
telling
is
you.
too much. It's
So-
too much corruption.
So this is like a big fight, like a serious one. Because now, if Malema is gonna say, "Hey, and you save," Mkwanazi will want to prove him wrong.
And proving him wrong, it means
He will come with evidence.
yeah.
He will come with evidence. And what's going to happen?
Ngoba lo baba he has
Mara
evidence
Malema
for
won't go to jail.
everything.
That's the problem. You see, Malema,
Mm.
he has a case. They found him guilty. That one where he shot a gun up.
Yeah.
They found
I
him
remember
guilty.
that one, yes.
But he's not in jail.
Maybe it was not enough for him to go to jail. Who
No,
knows?
he's because he's big. He's big like that.
Yabo lokho kukutshela ukuthi there are people who are above the law. Yabo? There are people who are
Exactly.
above the law.
Exactly.
Siyeke lento ukuthi there's no one above the law. There are people who are above the law because kunabantu abenza izinto that requires
Malema
them
will
to
never go to
go
jail.
to jail, but they don't
But
go to jail.
Jacob Zuma also went to jail and he was above
Yeah,
the
bo.
law. So he can still go. Mara Malema is too connected, guys.
So kuya ngama connection ukuthi wena uconnect
Yeah.
kangakanani so angeke uzuye ejele.
Yo.
Dlala ngathi. Kudlaliwe ngathi.
Ariwe kamjolo. Hey, bra.
Asikhulume indaba yama podcast iqala. Le. Hey. Mina I don't understand and I don't know ukuthi what is it that our government want us to do?
Ish, that one.
What is it that you want us to do? Amathuba
one.
emsebenzi awekho.
Mm.
Ufundile awufundile
Mm.
jobs opportunities awekho bafethu awekho. Baningi abantu abadala abancane abangasebenzi abahleli abanye bahleli nama diploma abanye bahleli nama PhD abanye bahleli nani namajazi wabo laba abaphosa phezulu neqo bahleli abasebenzi abawenza umsebenzi abawufundela imisebenzi ayikho. Now sekhona abantu abafana nabo ngizobekisa ngo MacG because I saw this on MacG. Sekhona abantu abafana nabo MacG. Yabo bavela nendaba zama podcast. Ukuthi okay njengoba isimo sase South Africa sinje siyazibona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Our government is not doing anything ngokuthi youth isebenze.
Yeah.
Okay, let's create ama jobs opportunity. Bavula ama podcast they started doing ama podcast, they started employing abantu because if you look at it kunabantu abasebenzela uMacG.
Yes.
There are people that are working for McJenna, they are getting paid.
Yes.
Uyabona? Laba abantu kade behleli kuphi bengasebenzi.
Yes.
So now that job opportunities are there, podcasts aseyaqasha abantu, people that are doing content sebeyaqasha abantu, amathuba emsebenzi asekhona. Sekuyinkinga ke futhi manje ku government lokho. Ukuthi okay, you guys are doing these things manje. So it's because podcast they are not under government.
Yes.
Government does not own any percent kuma podcast. And government does not tell them what to say and when to say it. So into efana kanjalo government iyamudla akayithandi. Akayithandi because labantu laba abalifihla iqiniso balikhuluma njengoba linjalo. Uyabona? So kuba inkinga. So government wethu, what do you want us to do? Ngoba iplan ikhona, but ubaba uMkhwanazi saba yena. Iplan yona ikhona singayenza, but uMkhwanazi ukhona. So instead of doing leyo plan leyo, sithe ahlale phansi kube yilento esiyenzayo. Sesi wrong futhi ngokwenza njalo. Yini ekumele siyenze? Kumele sihambe siyontshontsha, sibambe inkunzi, siboshwe. Ngoba phela masenza kanjalo siyaboshwa. Uyabo? Yini kahle kahle ugovernment afuna siyenze?
Yeah. It's hectic.
Usefuna ungenelela yena manje kulama podcast. Usefuna ukuba nesay kuma podcast. That's why make years athi so muvele Mauritius. So hambe soyenzele Mauritius i-podcast.
Sizwe Mbofu ne. Agri was also in parliament at the time they were talking about the podcasting. So he says, I spoke in parliament today about the rise of podcasts and question of regulation, making the case that the industry should be protected and nurtured, not permanently overregulated. And it's like podcast regulation should be considered against already existing laws and also existing platform control where podcasts are released. So you know what's happening now? They want to have all the podcasts under one umbrella, ne? And have rules, or you can't say this, you can't say this, and then everyone will sign. Meaning, what now? If you say something about someone, it's easy now for you to get arrested. You understand? And this is YouTube platform. It's not SABC. It's not ETV.
Government.
Do you know what YouTube created? YouTube because they wanted people to have a freedom
to be free to talk about whatever they want to talk about.
To have a freedom of creating content, to have their own creativity out there. It was not something that has to do with politics. In America, there's no such things. And YouTube has been there for years. People have been talking about politics way before us here.
Yes.
But now why do we have to, follow such rules?
No, it's because abanayi percentage kulama podcast.
Bafuna ungena so that they can also control tenders.
Exactly.
Soon there will be tenders about podcasts.
Hence I'm saying
there will be fundings.
They will tell you what to say and when to say it. Ungakhulumi ngobani, ukhulume ngobani, ilento abafuna ukuyenza. And abantu abafana no Magic did not come up with podcast ukuthi isizotshela government ukuthi kumele senze 1 no 2 no 3 no 4. Uhlulwa into zakho government la qhuma amapayipi lana amanzi ayachachaza kunabantu abalala bengadlile abangenazindlu kuhamba ugesi kwenza izinto ekumele ngabe uyayinaka kayinaki. Uzonaka izinto engenandaba ezingafuni yena. Because le ayifuni yena le akusinto yakhe.
You know why government has a pressure now? It's because a lot of politicians that don't want to go to SABC, they are going to podcast now.
Yes.
Because they know when they go to a podcast, they are not controlled. Because if you are working in government and you're going to SABC interviews, they will tell SABC people, you must not say this.
Exactly.
You must not ask this question. You must not. So now they go into podcast because that's where they get
their freedom, yes, to say whatever they want to say.
So now they're exposing a lot of things. So now government is like, no, then we have to find a way to control this.
Yeah.
There will be tenders for podcasts now.
Yeah.
And what's going to happen? They will still loot them. It's disappointing.
So sebefuna ukufaka podcast in one umbrella.
Yes. And you know what's crazy? They are not talking about positive stuff or we should create fundings for this podcast. They are talking regulations. Regulation is just laws that they wanna
to
make.
bind us kahle
Why are
kahle
you not talking about grow? How you gonna help us
To
How-
grow.
Yes.
Yeah.
How you going to add value? You're talking about the regulations.
suka
Come on.
government wethu udlala ngathi I don't know ngempela ukuthi bafuna senzini
They are so obsessed with creating laws. They are so obsessed
everywhere
with creating
in
laws.
everything bafuna ukufaka isandla bafuna ukuba nesandla in everything
Like they are so obsessed with creating laws for people because they will just want to arrest people and control their own thing. It's boring that thing.
sifuna ukuzenzela into eright mfethu creating ama job opportunities
So my question now is, let's say you create a podcast. Let's say you ask someone from UK to create a YouTube account for you using UK address, everything UK, but you shoot a podcast.
yeah
What's going to happen?
kuzokwenzaka ish
Because that might be the other way to do it. If you
hence
don't wanna-
umake G athe sizomuvele Mauritius because they don't have these laws le
It's boring.
so government you have to think twice
It's boring. I feel like the way there's so much
Funeka wenze into
corruption,
emele
ne?
yeah
This corruption ruins everything. Right now, corruption, you see, Big Brother, it was what? Corruption, allegedly. Right now, the YouTube, they want to also put their corruption in it.
yeah so baleke laphi where are we going to run to
It's crazy.
because sizama ngapha uyazivimba sizame ngapha uyazivimba ufuna senzini yini ofuna siyenze so kwenzani
It's bad. So this morning, we can move now.
we can move
This morning,
my
I was
king.
talking to this Uber guy, ne? So,
you were talking to an Uber guy
yeah.
awugibeli Uber mosweni
No, when I took my car to car wash.
oh
So, this guy...
nawe ngizokuexpose phela
So this guy is talking about ukuthi mele push yabo like implementing imali and stuff.
yeah
And then he's like, "Hey, phela mawungane next nezindombi asifuna ukukhuluma nawe stuff like that, yabo?" Then I'm like to him, "But I think emakhaya kungcono."
yeah
And he's like, "Yeah, kumakhaya kungcono because umuntu akakuthanda noma ungasebenze, you know." But now the question is, how long do you think emakhaya is going to be like that? Like, do you think now since people are getting used to the technology,
no.
this life, do you think it's gonna be like that till forever?
Not forever I wouldn't say forever
Because
If-
yes, vakhona emakhaya the people that don't care about all these things because they
yeah
are not exposed to imali and
And what's
technology, Instagram.
yeah
Mm.
but nakhona umuntu wasemakhaya I'm not saying ukuthi angakhona ukukuthanda ungena next but kuba into yokuthi yes ngiyakuthanda awusebenzi but there's something oyizamayo
Yes.
you understand makube khona into ezamayo uma ngabe umuntu ofuyile onemfuyo mhlambe umuntu efama ngoba kusemakhaya uvuna umbila uyawuthengisa uvuna ubhontshisi uyawuthengisa uvuna ispinash uyathengisa makube khona into oyenzayo ngoba I'm telling you izokuthanda ingane yabantu for that period of time ungenzi lutho izobona ukuthi lona he doesn't even have a plan of moving forward there's nothing he's doing so ngisahlaleleni ngiyamshiya you understand as much as nabo be understand ukuthi okay awenzi lutho makube khona kodwa okwenzayo mekuba khona okuzamayo nawe ungahlali nje uthi hayi ngoba sisemakhaya akumelanga sisebenze yabo akube khona into yenzayo akube khona ama opportunity oyicreate don't wait on government to create opportunities for you zama nawe njengomuntu if ever uyafuna ukukusiza ugovernment akakuthole ngendlela
Yeah.
yeah akakuthole ngendlela akakuthole ngendlela
It's hectic. And then I was talking to another guy, ne? Hey, that guy traumatized me. That guy says, "Unecheri, ne? Uyimithisile. Lechere in a boyfriend. Manje, bona they agreed ukuthi they will keep the baby. Mara now the boyfriend must think the baby is his. So this guy, he knows the kid is his.
The main.
No, not the main. The side knows that the kid is his.
Yeah.
Ne? He knows the kid is
100%
his.
kule
Yes.
yami.
The main one doesn't know that it's not his. He thinks it's his kid.
So bafuna ukumbambisa ibhantshi.
Sebambambisile.
Yazi ngibuyisela laphi lento.
Ah.
Ngibuyisela entweni I saw this thing ka Dominic no Anathi.
Is it that story?
Yeah, that story.
Oh,
So
shit.
I don't know ukuthi lo mjita lona abathu Anathi the guy was dating uDominic ukuthi ucabanga kanjani, because now he's denying everything ukuthi hayi mina bengathandani no Dominic, we were just friends in nani, but
Couldn't prove Musa.
but they were okay, they were all over social media, they were all over TikTok, Instagram, askis ku Facebook bekuyibona. Everyone knows ukuthi uAnathi no Dominic are dating. You understand? So uDominic, he was doing things for umjita amthandayo. He even booked B&B. He even booked B&B athi wenzela umuntu wakhe, because he said he wanted to do something kuleyo B&B without knowing ukuthi ubhuti lona ufuna ukuyojabulisa kuleyo B&B nomuntu wakhe. Umuntu wakhe owalethwa kuDominic wapresentwa as i-cousin. Wathiwa lo i-cousin yami. So uDominic wazi lentombazane njenge-cousin ukuthi lo i-cousin kabani kamuntu wami. Kanti ubhuti lo uzwana nalo sisi lo. Untango seyayiphika yonke lonto le uthi hayi mina uDominic kwasha kwacima 1 2 3 4 usephika yonke into. Which means manje uDominic is lying ukuthi bekujolwa la. But bebejolwa phambi kwamehlo ethu sibabhekile. Kuyiwa ko Cape Town. Apparently Dominic uyena befanda yonke lento because untanga had a story, a believable story sokuthi izinto azimhambeli kahle, but because uDominic uyamthanda wathi it's okay, mina ngizokwenza kumele ngikwenze because ngiyakuthanda. Manje sekuyinkinga.
You know what's crazy? Lasisi came out with the receipts. Athi lo muntu lo ngijole naye.
Same guy.
Yes.
Nazia.
The same guy utole no Lasizwe, and then avaqala uLasizwe ukuthi amthengele icathulo.
Yeah.
Abamsendele isithombe. Lasizwe wabona ukuthi hayi lo zoba inkinga.
Zodliwa la.
Sase limara already sekafuna izinto.
Yeah.
And then that's how he escaped. So uDominic, I feel like this is sad. If you have never experienced love, once someone shows you a certain way or
you go all out,
you forget, you lose your mind, you lose your common sense.
Yeah, you don't think.
And then now you do anything.
That's why bad love is blind.
How can you just book an Airbnb for someone who understand the full details?
And people, the questions that people are asking is that if ukhulume kabi ngoDominic, if you said something bad about, I don't know what is their pronounce, it's him or they or them.
So many pronunciations.
So angiyazi, but I will say yini phinda ba, it's they, it's them, but okay, I will say them because I don't know the right one. But if I'm wrong, ngiyaxolisa, but it's them. So if ukhuluma into ebhedayo or you said something wrong ukuyena, ube nalento, I would watch ama-video wakhe, ube nalento ukuthi uzo-investigate, azi ukuthi usebenzaphi, azi ukuthi uhlalaphi, azi ukuthi uqashwe ubani, then they will send i-message kumlungu wakho telling umlungu wakho ukuthi nimqashe kanjani umuntu so now the question is, since wena umuntu kanjalo uhlulwe yini ukwenza the same thing?
People are actually asking that question.
Yeah, people are asking that question. Uhlulwa yini ukwenza the same thing kumuntu kade uthandana naye kuze kufike le stage sokuthi ukushaya emva kwendlebe ungaboni. Yini ekuvimbile wena njengomuntu o-investigator okwazi ukubona izinto? Yini ekuvimbile ukuthi ungayenzi leyo nto kuyena, umfunde, um-investigate, umbone ukuthi umuntu onjani?
Isn't this the guy?
This is the guy.
This is Lasiso. You see?
This is the guy. This
Check.
is the guy.
Anati, read the message. This is a DM to
Dear-
Lasiso.
To Lasiso, ne? Dear my lover, I'm writing you this email because my mind was talking to my heart and they realized that they love you so much. Thank you for your time, your man, Anati, Mackenzie.
So now this started the war between Lasiso and Dominic now. Check. This is them on WhatsApp now.
Ha 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 ha.
I want to show you that part where Lasiso, where the guy asked for shoes. This is all posted by Lasiso on his Twitter. Whatever. Please
Ashu.
read that.
Oh. Khandithengele esisi khandithengele esihlangu kusho Anathi uthi
Brenda, I will send you this.
khawundithengele
screenshot.
esihlangu. I'm going to wear it when we go to Dubai. Where is my birthday present?
That's Lasiso.
Ehe kubuza uLasizo. Oh yini cala ndifake
Speaking vernacular.
oh yini. Oh, ubhale wrong. Oh yini sana ndifakelele. I just paid bonuses andinamali. So yangantoni eDubai.
He cares about Dubai. yena.
I don't asiza akho ukubhala isiZulu ufuna ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi ngokhulunkulu.
So, you understand? So now this whole conversation, check. Someone says, "Varkin no buhle tembe." Use the
What?
mic.
So this is
Yeah, I want you to read this one and this one.
this one and this
Yeah,
one.
no buhle.
Unobuhle Tembe athi thank you Lasizwe for speaking up. Ungathuli kube ngathi uDominic is crazy. Yo lo mfana bandla akaboshwa.
And then Lasiso athini.
Athi uLasizwe athi oh Dominic is a liar. They try to change the narrative that I wanted this guy.
But why would Dominic think Lasiso wanted the guy? Hey.
Mana ke mlungu ngifuna ukwazi mina. Anathi lona ujole no Lasizo
first.
qala
Yes.
before aye ku Dominic.
Yes. And then I go to Dominic. So ukuthi umfana yena into zakhe
Business kahle kahle business lakhe.
Kumele sibone intombi yakhe ikuphi intombi yakhe vela.
Bathi ubani namntana igama lakhe mina ngimazi nokumazi
So
igama lakhe.
intombi yakhe vela utotshwa nomuntu atshola nama.
Yeah.
Okay, two different genders. Wow. Hey le
So
ntombazane brave.
ngiyazibuza mina if intombazane knew ukuthi uAnathi ujola no Dominic.
Ah, she knew.
She knew.
I mean, Anati
There's no way.
Xhosas don't play.
Hayi.
Not in a bad way, but
Hey, Ghost, do you have anything to add?
Yo, you guys have been, I don't know, is this on?
yeah, it's on. Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, you guys have been touching on a lot of topics, eh? But the one that I'm liking the most is not the gossip one, the other Lasiso. I think I like this one that you guys were talking about when you're talking about regulation. That is very touchy to listen to that and hear that it's so much of a concern that that's where you realize that government was not supposed to set any policies for business. You know, look at what's going on now with us saying we're crying because of there's no jobs. There are jobs, but the employer cannot hire the people that are here for these jobs. which are South Africans. South Africans have been plugged certain policies in them that makes them not to be hireable. That me as an employer, if you come, I know if you come, you're looking for a job, I can hire you. But after hiring you, I know that you're going to take me to CCMA if I've done what to towards you. There's a lot of regulations, policies that are into the business itself that are brought by the government. That is not easy for the employer to be able to access their policies the way they want to. So if then you are a business, you are under the government policy that they can regulate anytime. They can make no. So I believe that this government that is servicing us right now, it's all about them. And it's all about them to be able to eat.
Yeah.
And when they eat, us, we must be hungry all the times. Look at the solar energies. There was load shedding. People tried to make a plan. They want solar energy. They want to regulate solar energy also. You think of it. Everything, like even here in the studio, I think there's an employment that you've created already. You're talking about MacG. It took a lot of people from the street, he employed them. Others are even learning from that and making jobs for themselves. But now the government itself is like, no, the only thing that I have to do is to punish you. So I think maybe we would say we have a government that believes in Ubuntu. I don't know if you guys believe in Ubuntu, but this Ubuntu principle is the one that's killing us because of what they say. That anbe nobuntu. Iba nobuntu. Mawukhuluma ku-podcast iba nobuntu. Ungakhulumi kabi ngoRamaphosa. Because kumele ube nobuntu. It doesn't matter what he did, but just come in, have lobuntu, but it's a beautiful country that we have. And then to ask even also that if you're gonna go to another country and do a podcast, what happens now? I can speak about Julius Malema, but on a podcast, I'm somewhere else. And also what happens is also, I'm asking myself, what's happening to Julius Malema's supporters? Isn't that easy for somebody to see that actually here I am voting a criminal because of it's exposed? I'm not saying anything about the people that voted EFF. Maybe if you voted EFF, maybe it was a mistake. But to think of it right now as this hero of mine is being exposed as
like this,
joining criminals, what must happen now? Are you taking a different decision? Are you going to still vote for Malema and continue? But also the question is, how much do we love our country, guys? How much do we really love our country? How do we stop this? Because of next thing, there's going to be 2009 elections. I mean 2029 election. Let's check what happens.
The problem is that majority of people believes or these presidents, they're the real ones. The ones that don't believe is few. So you can't outvote them. That's the problem.
The ones that doesn't believe in what?
The ones that believes or their presidents are real ones, they are good people, is majority.
So
that's how tricky it is.
So are we gonna vote for this good president, or we're gonna vote for the country itself? Because if then you are running a business, you must know that actually my vote, even voting for any party that I'm not sure of, I must rather idle and not vote because I'm voting myself out.
I feel like right now there's no good party. Every party is good before it takes power.
Yeah.
Even like, for example, Caden McKenzie, allegedly. That guy, everyone thought, this guy is a superstar. The time Abraham, that guy, everyone thought he's a superstar. He just got the position, he's in the office. That guy changed. Even like Kenu Kunen. Kenu Kunen is a MMA CEO of Johannesburg Transport. Bruh, how do you put Kenu Kunen on that position?
Do you know about the scandal that just came out now?
Talk about it.
About Gayton McKenzie.
Yeah, I saw it.
Apparently, this thing of this guy's party. This party, for him to form it, it was not really because of Gayton Mackenzie decided he wants to form a party. It was Uzuma came up with this mentality of he wants Mackenzie to be part of because of he wanted to win the colored community onto voting. But
yeah, I saw
voting
another
where?
story.
Pulling them into the ANC so that when they vote, because this guy later on is going to swallow him because of they're creating him. So Ramaphosa just took over and continued with Mackenzie. And then to pull this colored community into ANC. Later on, there's not going to be... Look how... Do you think Gayton Mackenzie is serious about his party? He's not serious anything about... How do you think they put him as a minister so quick?
So now, do you see Uguti, no matter what we do, no matter who we vote for, at the end of the day, it's going back there.
Mina, I'm saying,
Ibuyela kubona, ibuyela ku-ANC.
You see, it's like they're trapping us. It's the same thing as when you think if EFF. EFF is like we're voting another ANC.
Exactly.
EFF was better.
Action
You know,
SA
ne?
is like we're
Ibuyela
voting
na-
DA.
so-
I go with
Yeah.
EFF.
Yeah.
For me, it's the same. It's the same thing that I saw before. It's the same thing. Yeah, Mackenzie. It was also this good party. You understand?
Yeah.
I wanna read something. This is currently trending right now on Twitter.
Yeah.
Inmate accuses Minister Mackenzie of drug cartel ties. Wawutlwa? So, Prim alleged Mackenzie sent him a cell phone in prison, arranged his transfer to high security CMAX, and stays involved in drug sales like Mentres in Cape Town, plus tied to killers and ANC funding for his Patriotic Alliance. This is News 24. This is all here. And this is about like 4 hours ago. So now, remember, because of the Madlanga Commission, when they find new evidence, they have to bring it. Now, it links them. Remember, most of these guys, these ones, especially this new party, this PA, whatever, most of them, they were in prison. Mackenzie was also in prison before. What recommend this one? Kenukulen was in prison before. The money they made, they were making a lot of money before they got arrested. So now when they went to jail, they already had millions that they made from the crime. So when they came out, probably they had every money. They had anything they needed. So remember, for you to start a political party, you need money.
Yeah.
The rest will follow. You can buy positions. That's what they do. They buy positions. You can buy a position. So now, these guys, they have positions, these big positions. But now, guess what? Katiso Molefe, when they were going to arrest him in Sandton, they found Kenny Kunene in his house. And Katiso Molefe is the one who was arrested. He's out on bail because of DJ Samboni's case.
It's get out.
It's been out.
Katiso
Katiso Molefe.
sorry.
Yeah, it's Katie again.
Yeah.
Katie Molefe. They found Kenny Kunene in his house. So they suspended him, and then now he's back. Because Mackenzie threatens people, Ray must put him back, or otherwise, what. So,
He threatened Ramaphosa.
because they all have their own files.
Yes.
They all have their own files. So my point is, we are voting for, I don't know if I would say criminals, but we are just voting
Criminals,
for people.
really.
But
Yeah.
guys,
Criminals.
let me say this. You see that the term communism, like communist. A communist, you see, when these guys went during apartheid, when these guys were fighting and then fighting, when we say they were fighting for black people, they were not fighting for black people. They were fighting because of they had a certain ideology, mentality that they carry themselves, which is communism. Which communism is not an operation that would build any country. It's a looting mechanism for a person who's lazy. They are communists. So if then you're thinking, so you say something like who would we vote for? There's no one that we could vote. I want
Yeah.
to take you there so that you
Yeah.
understand. The person who we could vote for is a person that doesn't have the communist mentality. The white people before, they have seen that these are black people, not because of they're just black people. They were not saying kafir as kafir. They were saying, hey, die fucking communist. Die fucking communist, he wants to kill what I've been building. I've been building a structure whereby we create economy, where we will strive in having economy that is better, that has like good operations, that has only governance, that you know that the government is only involved in policing, you know it's only involved in health, it's only involved in assisting businesses. We would strive. Me and you will be much better. The podcast that you have here, it will be 3 times the podcast that you wouldn't have even imagined if then we didn't have these communist parties. That's why now you say you thinking things like your MacG, we're getting regulation. It's because of these guys are not governing. They have nothing to do with governance. Because you were supposed to be sick now, go to the hospital, not have a private medical bill. You were supposed to be serviced by your own hospital. If then me and you are having a business dispute, we were going to go to someone that someone was going to solve our dispute. But it's so painful for you to even find yourself in a dispute with a politician that you were trying to do your own business like this. He came in and he decided to either partner or render services from you. But now you start fighting with him. It's always promises of kidnap, bullets, guns, and all those things. So these are not people that can build any economy. I'm not saying that a black person cannot build an economy, but I'm saying a mentality that has communism cannot. This is the same thing as when it goes to women. Women, there is this feminist, you know. Feminist is a mentality that somebody drives with. It's like a mechanism, it's like a car. So this communist also, it is like a car that somebody has and is driving in there. But most of the white people, they don't drive in that type of mentality. And that's why they're able to build and maintain. Look at CBD, Johannesburg CBD. They've been trying. But it's because of somebody can render in like some sort of like finances into a certain stable. Then after that, we're not using that money for that.
Yeah.
We're taking that money, we rather why was I also wait to somewhere somebody then all of a sudden nothing was built because of we trying to take the money. So we're so hungry to such a point that the only thing that can save us is what you're doing. If then an individual like you can do what you do, and then another individual do what you do, or another one, I'm talking about business. So if then we can have a lot of businesses, every individual decide to open like a small mini business. Like you remember there's times of Thabo Mbeki. Thabo Mbeki came up with this thing of Vuk'uzenzele.
Yeah, I remember that.
Vuk'uzenzele was a very good establishment. He came out with
Organization,
things
yeah.
like your Soul City for life skills education, you know. Because of that guy, he was in between, you know. He was a communist. He's a communist also because he was with Mandela and them. They all had selfish mentalities. But Thabo Mbeki, because he has like some sort of like economist in him, he decided, actually, you know what, let me try to give these people backstage, let them learn about creating businesses. Let me, if you remember when we were watching even Generation, it was about your Kenneth Mashaba doing businesses. When you watch a movie, it's about business. We were growing. And then the economy was like shooting, boom. Came this big two heads, Zuma. Zuma came in, everything started, because he's a serious communist.
But
Then
it's
it never
worse
happened.
now. It's
Ramaphosa is worse.
that's why I don't believe or there's
Ah,
a party that will
Ramaphosa
make.
is-
That's why I don't believe.
Ayikho mfethu,
You know,
no
people,
part,
you know what
ayikho.
people were saying? People were saying, hey, Ramaphosa is a businessman. He knows how to run a business, so you'll know how to run a country. Worst thing.
The same thing that they call him Patrick Mutsipa now.
Do
you
you
think
see
maybe-
Mzepe? Mzepe, I feel like he's the same as Ramaphosa. I get they are also businessmen. He's also a businessman.
And he might be even worse because what happens with these guys, they're addicted, man.
They're addicted to money
Yeah.
and power.
And power. And if you have those power struggles, what are you going to create really? What is, okay, let's talk about Mutsipa's wealth. Where is Mutsipa's wealth coming from? What did Mutsipa, okay, we can talk about Mark Zuckerberg. Where is Mark Zuckerberg's worth coming from? I can talk about it, Nolo. He's very close here. He's with me. I've been with this guy for like we worked. I've seen him trying. I know.
Yeah.
But now, if then you talk about your Patrick Motsepe, what did he create? If then you were to show me a car that is owned, the only thing I know is that he owns a team called Sundowns.
Yeah.
But owning
That's
a team is like it's nothing. So now also you talk about Ramaphosa.
Mm.
Then you still talk about Zuma. When you can talk about other people that has created, we know there's companies like your De Beers that has been the companies, the tractors, the farming companies. Those companies were here. Those companies, we expect those people that were owning it to be having the money because they're owning like real business. They're creating something.
Yeah.
But if then you're creating nothing and then there's no politician that has ever created anything. Even your Julius Malema, we look at him now, we're like, hey, you know what? I see you can make a lot of people angry. But if you were able to create at least cars and brand them Malema, whatever the
yes.
case,
That
and
would
then
have been
sell them
something.
to us, you know?
Yeah, that would have been something.
It's hectic.
I
So-
love a politics wafethu mina honestly.
No, there's a spirit of Ubuntu that's setting us off.
Yeah.
And that is the big problem. You know, if somebody came to me, like a person who created YouTube, for example, or we can talk Bill Gates also. These people, we can find ourselves swearing at them using our devices. That device that you are using, you got it from where? From either America, it was imported to you to become in your hand. You use that same device to swear at Donald Trump and say, fuck you. I rather say fuck with Ramaphosa, because Ramaphosa did it.
Yeah. I want to get into the social stuff. Ne? So there is this guy called Spijojo. Do you know what Spijojo? So it's from Val. So he was arrested, I think, 2 weeks ago for kidnapping and crime. So it's trending now. People are saying, okay, the headline says TJ Spijojo is being at the club days after kidnapping, arrest, and bail release. Yo,
uDJ lo muntu.
yeah, it's
DJ
DJ.
bana
You see, it's him
mademoni.
at the back here. It's him at the back. And Senolo P. Ivory, Valley's favorite, is out on bail. Just the system is good at failing people.
Yeah.
I feel like everything is corruption, bro.
Everything.
Yo.
Everything is corruption. Wena mozama ukwenza izinto ngendlela eright, babona ngathi uyahlanya.
But now, the question is, people that are doing the right thing, how are they going to survive when the ones that are doing corruption, they are winning more? Isn't that going to make everyone be corrupt?
You know, you're not gonna survive because njengomuntu ozama ukwenza into eright, bayabona ukuthi uzama ukwenza into eright. The ones that are corrupted, they will come to you. Ukuthi yendoda, what you are doing is sayibona ukuthi right. But now for you to move forward and do more, you need 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Bakukapsele ngemali bathi hayi man. Then you take that man, usungenile kubona ngeke usakhona ukuphuma. So corruption into engeke iziphele. Corruption is here to stay. There
Because
is nothing we can do to end corruption.
It's the same as cheating.
Same as cheating. Into eyi-one iyafana.
Yeah, ne?
Into eyi-one kuyafana.
Yeah, it's hectic.
So government wethu sifailile and is still failing us.
Yeah, ne?
We are trying ukwenza izinto ngendlela right, but still kuyafana.
No, you know, the only time that corruption, a friend of mine once said, ne? You know, the only time that corruption can end is when we can have another good dictator. Like a person who is positive in creation, but he is a dictator, serious dictator.
Which is
So
impossible.
it's very impossible. Somebody who comes in and say, yazi bafethu, emafletini kuhlala abantu bayi-3 abantu bayi-2 per flat. And I'll make sure that I insist on seeing that happen. Estrateni akuchanyelwa, like ngeke uchamele estrateni. Mawuchamela estrateni ngizokubopha. Lana there could be that type of resistance, but look at it when they say bathini, public drinking. Hey, public drinking. You do get people that are trying to make laws, but they don't have a backup. The only time that they make the law, they want to It's the same thing as this podcast. When they're making laws like this, you must know they are trying to take. Somebody is
Exactly.
trying to steal.
So a person like that will die within a month.
A dictator.
Within a month, gone.
And you're taking everybody's brain like that.
Gone.
It's like, yeah.
Abamfuni, they don't want a person like that. Abamfuni.
But how did other countries make it? Countries like China, I can see India now it's actually growing in economy, because the main thing here, we're talking economy. Once the economy grow, everybody settles. Even corruption will
Yeah.
go down because of we have something. So the main thing that's killing us for the corruption that we're talking about, I think it's growth of economy.
Of economy. So
If
that is the question we should be asking as a country.
Yeah.
Ukuthi laba bona bakwenza kanjani? Yini ehlulayo thina ukuyenza?
And
Sihlulwa
funny
yini?
enough, your president, your Ramaphosa, believe me, not that he doesn't know what's supposed to be done. He knows, but it's just that he's ignoring it. Also, I've heard even some guy from the DA, like what's this guy, Steinhazel. One day I heard him speaking something so positive about the country and say, giving an example of a person like you, say, if then you're about to start a business and then there's funds that are going to support you truly, the country is going to change. But sad enough that if there's funds that are supposed to support you, there's somebody in between there to
Exactly.
take those funds so that you can eat, so you can threaten your family
There's
and
always a
say,
middleman.
I'll kill you. Yeah.
There's always a middleman mfethu. Akuna 100,000 engafika kuwena nje kuthiwa it's yours siyakusupporta alright. Ayikho.
Yeah.
Ingafika always ingaba khona. Hlala wazi ukuthi kunomuntu okhona.
Ofuna ukudla. Which is what I'm actually been fighting for in business, to say, I wish I can have that money where I don't have the middle person to eat with, or who's gonna come and impose some
So
policies.
then how do you remove that middleman? Umsusa kanjani?
No, you vote for prosperity for South Africa. You vote for people that make sense. Because of, if then we're saying why we're voting for Ramaphosa, guys, let's talk about this. Which sense did Ramaphosa ever speak? Or maybe ANC, anyone from ANC. Which sense did they ever speak that we said we are voting them for? Even EFF. Gayton Mackenzie, for example, he said, and that's the sense that we have to vote.
For abahambe
Abahambe kuphela,
Yeah,
then you
uvotela
get
lokho.
Mina, I'm tired of politics. Siyakhathaza the politics.
No, politics mfethu.
I think I gave up.
Iyadrainana mfethu. Iyadrainana ngifuna uqamba amanga.
And also there's
Because-
now technology. I think with technology, this politics that we're talking about, with technology and the Gen Zs, are there Gen Zs, ne?
Yeah, Gen Zs, yes.
The Gen Zs and technology. These ones, when we're talking that dictator,
Yeah.
we're talking about the Gen Zs.
The Gen Zs.
Those ones, they don't give a damn. They don't care.
They don't care.
They're not like us.
Yeah.
You know? We have this shame of acting. We feel like when we act, we are disrespecting. We have Ubuntu.
Yeah.
These ones, they don't have Ubuntu. Ne? But when they come, and they come with technology, remember, even if Ramaphosa is a president, he doesn't know technology. He doesn't understand technology. So if then I want to put a campaign that is very strong, that's why they're able to. They didn't see people like MacG coming, because they understand nothing about technology. MacG saw himself and say, you know what? In the future, I'm going to be an influencer. And I'm going to influence politics. And they will have to talk about me in parliament. Then he made it like that. Think of a Gen Z now who's thinking along the lines of how do I, because the main thing here is influence. If we're able to, if we're not or you're able to influence the whole South Africa decision making, see, it's the same thing as you have a King Ginger in your studio. A King Ginger, every mother, every child love him like they would love Zuma.
Yeah.
But what is he doing? He's just going around and telling people, hey, exchange, let me see your phones. But now, if then there was somebody who is influencing in that level or angle in the political space,
Yeah.
that's why even MacG, I feel like even right now, he's been already brutalized. Somebody bought MacG. He's not as resilient as he used to when it came to the podcast?
With McG, you can tell that there's now people behind it, especially after the
Oh,
I
I started McG.
yeah.
it's not the
Aish.
same anymore. It's not the same.
Akusafani.
Akusafani.
Yeah.
So you want
akusafani.
to money corruption? Like it can buy anyone.
Anyone,
It's corruption.
anyone. Once bafika kwena babona potential ukuthi this person is going
Avela.
bayangena.
McG Pella, he was different. Now it's different.
It's different now. It's no longer the same McG that we used to know. Now I don't even watch his shows anymore because I realize with
They
all
bought him out.
So whatever we do or we say, still kusazoba kanje.
Anyway, let's talk about AI. Since we're talking about technology as well. Things are getting hectic. Like really hectic. I'm starting to be scared of technology. I'm starting to be scared. Because right now, they are training AI to do what a human being can do. So the question now is, what are we going to do when AI can do what we can do? Now we're just gonna sit at home because AI will be doing
Make
everything
babies.
now. Yeah, and make babies because AI will be doing everything. It's crazy. Like right now, there's AI for almost everything. Just that in South Africa, obviously, we don't have everything yet, the AI.
But it's coming.
But with the way it's moving so fast, it's approaching. And remember, most countries, they don't have like cashiers, they don't have all these kind of people doing different things.
Yeah.
They have AI or robots doing everything. Customer just comes and buy. And right now in South Africa, let's say our AI is like now Uber Eats. You don't have to go to the grocery store now. You can buy from your phone. You can also order food instead of cooking. Do you know right now, you can live without cooking?
Yeah. Possible.
You can live without cooking
Yeah.
at all. Even if, let's say, you have good money, you don't wanna buy pots.
Yeah.
You move to a new place, don't wanna buy pots. Yeah, as long as you can order.
Yeah.
There are people that actually have it's like a private kitchen. People just make orders and
Yes.
then they cook whatever
24
you
hours
want.
of
You
the
don't need a
day.
restaurant.
Yes,
actually. That's what you're saying.
exactly.
Yeah.
And then you deliver. That person doesn't have to cook because of technology. How you can just press 2 buttons, food comes. You can just press your button, some robot cleans. You can just press a button, a gate opens. You don't need a security to sit there. There's so much. Meaning, or you can just be sitting in bed the whole day doing nothing. All you do is just tell your phone to do this,
Do this, do
and then it
that.
does it. Even, do you know right now, even computer, there is an AI that you link with your laptop, and then you can tell it, go to Premiere Pro, edit episode 100 and what. You know, that means you don't need Pinda to edit.
Is there such thing? Is there such thing?
Yeah.
Usiniphiwe
Yeah.
nophinda umsebenzi
No, but like
uyaphela.
edited, like, cause there's instruction, there's share, there should
No,
be a
no,
creative instruction.
no. Remember that thing. The same way you give your AI to do something, it's the same procedure. If you wanted to open a Premiere Pro, edit a file from a folder, one man, edit that episode. I can remember you fed it information already. It already knows what edit it needs to do, what kind of edits, where it needs to put the intro.
And like you said about the song itself,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
Suno thing, man. Like it's amazing to
Even the
hear
Suno.
a piano song. There's like a Zulu.
They are, well, I'm police that they are already making. They are already using AI. Remember, with AI right now, it's so advanced that you can just boom, 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 and then Suno is going to clean the podcast.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, bro. You can do the same song. Nice. It's going to align it. Agree. AI knows when to lower the vocals, when to take them up, when to lower the beats. It will do all that
There's a
for you.
song.
You don't
There's-
even have to
there's a
spend
song.
hours.
There's a song, Papa Ute. Papa
Mhm.
Ute.
Yes.
It was also sang by this guy.
Yes.
The-
They did a cover.
yeah. So now these guys, they went and make that song. They
Yes.
remade it.
With the AI.
With AI.
Yes. But
Apparently, they separated all the sound, like to hear all the, like you hear all the elements of the sound itself.
yes.
Apparently, that song went.
It's huge.
much, millions.
Whoever
It's everywhere.
whoever made that
Yes,
song.
they
Everywhere,
millions.
bruh.
Yes, whoever made that song made a lot of money. Made a lot of money.
But you think it's a person who made it? We went and mastered it with AI.
So this is how AI works, ne? When you make a song, you tell AI what kind of song you wanna make, the kind of a beat. When it comes to vocals, you tell it the kind of vocals you want. There is also a cover where you make a cover where you can reference a song. I don't know if you get me.
I get you.
Yes. So the danger is you can be referencing a song or making a cover of a song, but your song can be better than the original
Yes.
because AI is that good.
Yo.
And,
And then what
so-
happens now when you've taken that song and you made it to be like best than the original?
look, what AI do is that you can't. I can't upload your song on Suno ne, if it's already published because Suno will tell me that it's copyrighted. But there is tricks to have your song uploaded so that you can use that style. Once Suno allows you to upload a certain song, if it's not copyrighted, then you own the rights of the song that you're gonna make with Suno. Do you get me? So I can't take my producer song and upload it on Suno and say I want a song like this. It won't agree because it's copyrighted already. Mara, if I find a way to trick it and I end up uploading that song and that it can't detect the copyright, it will make something similar and it can make it better than the original.
So meaning the song that you are talking about, Putwa Milega,
Yes,
Puting,
about
Papa,
the- yeah.
hey. So the person that sang that song, obviously akayenzanga
Yeah, AI.
nge-AI,
Yes.
and it was not the way it is now. So the person who made it to be the way it is now, kusho ukuthi ama rights and everything belongs to this person, not to that person.
Yes.
Ashu.
And you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy?
Ashu.
You know what's crazy?
yeah,
It can be a 17-year-old.
Yeah, yabo?
And it can have it maybe it took him 2 hours to do that song or 1 hour. Remember, Suno takes less than 5 minutes to make a song. The only time that you can take long is to maybe do the prompt when you type in the prompt and coming, changing, because you can type a prompt and then you don't like the song and then you edit the prompt. So you can be doing changes to your prompt
So
and
you don't
until
need to, like, if
Yes.
Nate was using Fruity Loop, you would have to edit
yes,
there, but you're just
so
changing the text.
you can change the prompt until you get the right prompt.
Yeah.
So the danger here is with Suno you can make an album in 1 day and publish it. That's why Avo Mapuri said they are adapting it. So Avo Mapuri said this is how they are using Suno. They can sing, simple lyrics, sing, because they know how to produce. They will also add, some. With Suno, like you can do this. I agree. They know what this sound is called. Then when they do their prompt, they uploaded the sound. It will come out perfect as a song. You won't even tell it's Suno.
I had Soul Pen.
Yeah. And you can and when with vocals as well, you can upload your vocals there. So Maporisa will be singing, we will hear that it's Maporisa. But we won't know that it was made through Suno because we can hear the vocals like Maporisa. How do you know the beats, the arrangement, everything is Suno. So Avo Maporisa, they will no longer be using Fruity Loops. Yeah, boy.
Which I think makes life easy. It's only that I think maybe AI. It's scary when you're talking about AI. I think maybe going from how you started when you say it's scary that it has taken everything that you were supposed to do.
Yeah.
Practical activities.
Which I like. I mean, if I can stand
You like that.
2 minutes,
You like that.
I like the fast pacing. I like the fact that it's too fast. So meaning I don't have to sit the whole day doing a 1 minute video.
But also, do you remember how fun it used to be when you editing a project?
Yeah, but
Because
you
that
struggle too much.
creativity, like sometimes I feel like creativity connects you with your own. Because you have this
That's
thing
fun,
of,
yeah.
like this fun thing that happens there when, as you're creating, you feel like, oh, hey, it's me who did that yesterday.
Yeah.
But now, like, because to me, I used to do a 3D animation. I worked a lot of projects in 3D animation.
And the it is hard.
All of them, they're not released. And those are rigged, serious movies that are there. Then came this AI. When it came, it made that work to look like I've never worked
Nothing.
at all. I've worked how many years? Starting to self-teach myself, rigging. Man, for you to create a character in 3D, you need to first, when you see this, you need to rig it. And you need to make sure that the walking poses, the postures, everything. That
Even
you need
the
to
lips.
consider. The lip sync, everything. But now here comes some program that you can just put a picture and it can talk and can look like, I'm like, wow.
How long?
It's amazing, yes.
How long can it take you to, for example, when you're making it manual,
Yeah.
to make a person talk maybe for 3 minutes? How long can it take you?
Whole day.
Or what? You understand? So with AI,
That's the whole day.
Yeah, that's the whole day.
now with AI, you see, just to have me and you talking as animation, my man, it's not easy with animation.
If you're doing animation, to draw animation,
Yeah.
to do animation,
We have to throw you first, throw the lips, and throw
make those lips
Yes.
sync to your voice.
Yes,
You know, after that, you're done with a clip. After that, you need to take that clip and go edit it so you can combine them with others, and they must sync.
And
That-
rendering.
You need to render. Those things were very difficult. Believe me. Even when I'm speaking to people like Nabochir, sometimes I'll speak to hey, I'm an animator, I'm a game developer. Wow, you do that? How do you guys do it? It was a scarce skill. Then this thing just took it and gave it to almost anyone who has a phone can actually do it.
Do it, yes.
That to me, it has taken something away. But also, I feel like it has added something on top. Because of now, you know that you can use, like how Lee was saying, that you can actually just put clips together and prompt them. They will
And
make
then,
what.
yes.
So it makes life easier.
Ah.
It makes life easier. That's what's nice.
I
But
feel like there's nothing that is gonna be hard now. Like anything is becoming
Yeah,
simple.
easy, yes, because of AI.
That's why I was saying to politics, guys. I think politics are going to be kicked off by technology. This the type like because if then
Yeah, it will kill. It will,
yes,
it will kill
If-
politics.
if then for Julius Malema, his son is younger. If he learns and then collaborate with those that understands technology, then he can still push communism in his way in that level because the thinking is the same.
It's the same.
But for
no?
Julius Malema right now, it's over.
It's over,
For
yes.
Gaten Mackenzie right now,
It's
it's
over.
over. For everyone who is there,
Yeah.
for Gwete Matashe,
Ramaphosa over.
yeah.
it's over. They that's why even to think of it, even Duduzane cannot do anything of what's going on
Right now,
You
yes.
understand? So even their intelligent was working then, but
Yeah.
right now they are dum-dums. It's only that they have positions.
Yeah.
Believe me, if you can give me and Lee the government position and so operate, believe me, we might do even way better.
Yeah, man. I'm worried about technology, guys. Ne? There's so much going on. Right now, you on Demo or Alibaba, all these China websites, you can order robots for yourself to be your madam.
But what happened to the sex robots, man? They there yet? Are they there yet?
Yeah, there.
La ukwenza nje?
Oh. They are there. No, phela yona imela wena uwe uyisebenzayo angithi. And you know what's crazy about these robots, ne? I feel like the way the technology is becoming better, they will make the robot to feel like
A human
a
being.
human being. Remember, at first, people didn't believe or the technology can replace people at the stores, at the whatever.
It was impossible.
But now, people still think robot can. They say robot doesn't have a blood. My guy, people are donating blood. What if they put that blood into a robot?
No, even you don't
It's
need
gonna
to,
be- it's
no,
gonna
no, no, no.
happen.
You don't need to put blood. Blood is red, right? You can put whatever, but as long as it's liquid that feels like blood, it is running.
They're going to make robots obviously they will not be human beings, but they will make them to be close to a human being.
To human
and that's what they are
beings, yeah.
working on right now. And if we keep thinking, what this is nothing,
You wash dishes, take your kids to school.
there will be a time
do.
where someone smashed robot and it feels almost like a human being. That's how crazy it is. Let me give you an example about what is practical right now. Eat dildo, for example. These dildos these days, some have batteries, ne? Some they are rechargeable, ne? My guy, you can't do what dildo can do. In terms of it lasts longer, it's rechargeable. Ne?
100%.
It can last longer. So meaning if you want to finish 20 rounds, you can get them. You can you understand? You understand? It uses battery.
But
It can work 24 hours.
I think when you say that the human closer to a human touch, have you ever asked any woman about this whole dildo thing?
We need to get someone who uses dildos.
Do you
But-
think it's easy for them to come up and say, I'm
Yeah. They are
I'm a
open.
dildo
They are.
junkie.
They would come
Yeah,
out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now to think of it is that I think maybe because of there's a woman who uses the dildo a lot. The thing about them that is missing is that human.
It's always gonna be there. Even if a robot is close to human, but there will always be that human touch. But I'm scared because the technology is becoming good too much.
That it can create that human touch.
Yeah, I feel like it's becoming good. I know I'm gonna give you an example.
Yeah.
Who thought one day you can just request Uber and then it takes you Emakaya? You understand? We never thought of such things. If someone were to tell you about that long ago, you were not gonna believe that person. Mara, because of money and how people are smart, they put all that together to create such magic. So, what is it that is gonna make, or what is it that is gonna stop a robot to becoming
Closer to human.
closer to? I'm not saying a human being.
Yeah, like closer
Closer.
to human. Yeah.
What is it that is gonna stop?
That's
if
why I was
if these
saying.
people are this smart,
That's why I was saying to you that I believe that whatever this person is, whoever is trying to do this, there's this immortality of human, which I think maybe in the States now they're trying to develop something like that, whereby they're trying to make you as a, because the only thing that would say it's boring about us is that mawungihlaba ngomese uphuma igazi ngiyalimala. I'm too much organic. But if then umhlaba then thatha lo message ukayona. It wouldn't
that one won't work.
uh,
Immortality won't work because of the AI. They are making AI to be a better human being. That's what they are doing.
whose brain are they using? They're using a human brain, which
Yes.
now it makes you to be, that's immortality.
And remember, if a human being is making a better human being, I bet a robot already is better than a human being in
Yeah,
terms of
it is.
in terms of intelligence. In terms of intelligence, for example, a car track can show you where your car is. But a human being will take them how long? If you were to hide the car in the bushes, it will take them how long to find that car? But AI takes you there straight. It tells you even how long it's gonna
I
take
don't-
you
yeah.
to get there.
Yeah.
So do you see how smart
The devices, yeah.
the device is? is smarter than a human being.
and uma ukhuluma
And
kanjena
it's
my
created by a
king.
human being. That's how crazy it is.
Oh,
And now it became a creator itself.
it's- itself.
It's better than
But
the
also,
creator.
it's going to create something that's going to delete it. The only thing that we need to believe is that we're gonna be wiped off.
So that's it. That's where we're going. Robot is gonna agree. It's becoming smart. Robot is going to create a better robot, and a robot will want to replace us. Ne? The robot is also gonna create something else. There will
That
be
is
another
going
thing.
to replace it.
That is going to replace it.
So manikhuluma kanjena, there's this I don't know the name of that series
So
that I once watched.
sinjoy indlamanye inhloko manje. Sisapho, while we still can. Before robot chows inyama enhloko.
Yeah, we must eat a lot of yam taco. That's the experience. But envy is something else. I think we're not supposed to give this thing access to us.
It's
Like
not
we're not.
us.
We gave it access to us because it's envy. Yabona, there's something that silently envies you and make you the creator of what it envies about you. That's what this thing did. It has enslaved people like your Elon Musk with knowledge. Because this thing starts with vision. To think, I'm lazy. I need something that's gonna help me wash my shoes or wipe my shoes. But it's saying, can I be you? But it first starts with taking those hard jobs. But later on, you realize, actually, I can just put something. Imagine when they start making these chips that they plug into our head. I can think like Lihonolo like that. That's because I went and buy a chip that has Lihonolo capabilities. It has this. Then meaning people can be cloned very easily. Before we talk about robots, we'll have to talk about
Saying about indaba yama-robot, there's this, because le topic le ingithatha ingibuyisele emuva. I wasn't even thinking about this a series that I once watched. So there's this guy, family yakhe, he has 2 kids nomfazi, right? And then kunendawo la kuthengiswa khona ama-robot. Yabo ufika uyichuzela whether ufunela umfazi noma ufunela isilisa.
Black Mirror.
Yes. So this guy went and bought this robot.
Yeah.
Intombazane. Wabuya weza nayo endlini, wafika wayicharger, yahlala lapha. It sit down like this when you charge it. Wayicharger. Then when it was full, wapressa la sukuma. They started having a conversation. Wakhuluma, this is my house, this is my wife, these are my kids. Introducing the family to the robot. Then the robot started doing chores endlini, taking the kids to school, watching them, reading bed stories to them, waking up in the morning, doing breakfast, doing all those things. Umfazi waqala wa relax. Right? Because now there's this thing doing all these things endlini.
Yeah.
Ukuhamba kwesikhathi, the robot became jealous. Selifuna ukuba yilo mfazi. Right? It started doing things to this woman. Umfazi besaqala abona izinto, things that are not there. She started seeing things that are not there. Tell indoda yakhe, my husband, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 there. Athi indoda uyahlanya, there's nothing there. I understand. Hayibo ngibone ubani, your mama was here, kuphi. My mom was never here. At the end of the day, umfazi killed herself. Was gwaza, uma izgwaza, a robot took over. Indoda igcine silala nale robot. Bagcine sebelala bonke. Sekumnandi. It became the mother to these kids. It took over. So lento enishoyo kanje ukuthi ama-robots are coming to take over. Kuzokwenzeka.
It's every time in life, it looks like we have this moment of divide and conquer. What you just expressed now, ne? Lento iyenzakale in a Black Mirror type of a scenario, right? Mara, now I want to talk about maybe if then you look at how Nigerians are doing for us. It's not technology.
Yeah.
It's common sense. They come, they take your woman. When they take your woman, they give her your son name as their son. They give her that child their son name. but that child belong in your country. They can make 5. If then somebody can come again and make 5, they're able to take over the country because of the kids that are grown from here. They're theirs. The same way that this robot used to manipulate that, she made this one kill herself. Isolation, divide and conquer. So it divide that. So think of it as maybe if then we are in the future, there is that type of manipulation, meaning these things, they don't need to even kill us. They can make us fight.
Yes.
So with what you started with when you said we'll stop doing our chores, I'm seeing everyone dropping dead from the roof building, falling, because life has no meaning. Because life without purpose is a tragedy. It will make you live a miserable life. It's the same thing as if ungena something to do today. Me and you, and we are all here in the studio. We are doing something, but there's somebody somewhere sitting down.
Yeah.
Agana anything to think of. That person, believe me, they're slowly thinking of they need to kill themselves. If then they don't, they might resort to drugs because it's a very quick escape from death to something that you know, which now these things, they might end up taking the world in
I
that
want
way.
to show you a robot woman. Do you see? This thing is on Alibaba. It's for sale. It's a woman. Do you see that? Let me see that.
Hibu.
This is hotter than your ex. That I mean, that's hotter than your ex.
So Nyawama CGI, man. This is a CGI.
What do you mean it's a CGI?
It's a popo. It's a CGI. It's a generated graphic, but it's alive.
Yeah.
It's a computer generated graphic.
Obviously,
but it's alive.
Yes, that's how they created it. They created with computer first.
So
and then
like,
that person, do you see the boobs? Do you see everything?
Oh.
Oh, you can't believe it.
So, is this for sale?
Yeah, it's for sale. It's on Alibaba.
How much?
Is it talking?
I don't know. I'll really
What are the features?
How much?
Let me read.
How much? How
So
much?
isn't this crazy, guys? Isn't this like something that is crazy? And you know, bro, like yo.
Lento sibukela kude. It's actually
So
here.
yeah, guys, it's hectic. I blame Elon Musk. Our Elon Musk, there are people like him that are many. Those guys are obsessed with making robots, and they are the ones that are gonna destroy this. They're gonna destroy this because they keep making robots, and they keep making better robots, and they are using robots for the knowledge also. Remember, right now, you know what's crazy is that as human beings, we make robots, but now, right now, even when I come in, you have to go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a robot. You have to go to a ChatGPT right now to ask it questions, and it tells you. ChatGPT now knows more than you,
Exactly.
but it was created by a human being. Because how they made ChatGPT, they took information of everything and put it together into one robot. That's why robots are powerful. It's because they are using a mind of thousands of people. It's not using a one mind like you. It's using millions of minds. That's why it's too smart. So how are we gonna win the battle when this thing has so many minds? How are we going? Tina, we have to come together first and talk. And this one has to come with suggestions. With the robot, it gives you 10 answers.
And with the one who gave it that mentality.
With the one who gave it that mentality. So do you see that's why it's powerful?
It's something that you cannot compare with.
So duplicating that in a form of a CGI like that, like that popo,
Yeah.
you find those that are alive like that, and it's 5 of them against when. Do you know what they can destroy? 3 can destroy. Can destroy 500.
500.
If 3 can destroy 500, the world can. That's gonna be crazy. That's gonna. The robot that he's talking about is not talking about the robot as in like a human figure. So there's a robot that is now a small drone that is a size of maybe something that cap. that can enter your house, but it has a wisdom of a human being. It is equipped with certain things that if then it can fly inside here, it will do as human beings does that doesn't have hands. But if it wants to destroy you, either can. I saw this other one going into a skull of this. I think it was Mpoponyana that they went straight into the skull and enter inside. So this thing can just come into your house, even when you locked your house. It can. Fella doesn't need to. Your butlers don't. So as humans, we need to think: how do we advance ourselves as these guys are advancing this?
Yeah, I think we will continue on the next one, guys.
On YouTube ungene ku search ubhale uthi Dwaza TV usubscribe. If awasubscribe ku CMTV, subscribe ku CMTV. If awasubscribe ku Mr Lee, subscribe ku Mr Lee. If awasubscribe ku King Ginger TV, subscribe ku King Ginger TV bafethu, because without your support, without your love, akunala esiyakhona. Danko siyabonga.
Yeah, guys, we thank you for everything. We thank you for the support. I mean,
Baba
you
wami.
know, sometimes I'm like, when I go live, sometimes I'm like, you know how crazy it is that we have this small community that when you go live,
They're always
watching.
there.
When we drop video, they're always there.
Yeah.
This other time I was at the mall and an old woman came to me. She's like, I always watch your video, and she will reference old videos. I'm like, you know what? This is crazy. Sometimes it's hard to process it. Like you can't believe it.
Yes.
You know, you have this community that supports you.
Yeah.
You never met them,
But
all
they are
of them.
always there for you.
Mara, you know, those few people that you meet at the mall
Yeah.
tells you, good to you, we watch your content, we love you. Man,
That's why we have to appreciate them.
that kind of love, man, you
Yeah.
can't buy it.
No.
You can't buy it.
Ever.
Thank you guys for
Siyabonga
this kind of
bafethu,
love. We
siyabonga.
appreciate it.
Yes.
And we love you so much. We'll see you guys on the next one. Tango.
Vum 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 gone kanje.
Gone.
Gone kanje. Gone kanje. Awuphinda uze